In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Duolingo discount promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for Duolingo discount promo codes. Right here, scroll down a little bit until you should be able to find this website, which is called simplycodes.com. And right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 50% off, all you have to do is select copy code right here, and this is your discount code that you can copy and apply on your next purchase in order to get the discount right here. Also scrolling down a little bit right here, we should be able to find this also this website right here. And as you can see, we have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to receive this 40% off discount, all I have to do is select show code right here. And the discount code is loading right now. So I'm going to just wait a little bit until it's done. So as you can see right here, I have to click and copy the discount code. And if I'm going to apply this on my next purchase, I will be able to get the 40% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.